This is normally how it plays out. It's me here doing all the work. She's over there looking gorgeous, but I wouldn't have it any other way.
We've gone on holiday by mistake.
Crazy golf it is. I mean, it looks like it should be warm, doesn't it? But there's a bitter wind coming in from the North Sea, apparently, all affecting the east coast, which is exactly where we are at the moment. We're on the Isle of Sheppey. If you watched the last video, you'll know that this new shelf that I built is for all this, but I've been on Facebook Marketplace. Oh, what's in here? Oh, shall we look? They don't fit. So as you can see, they're bigger than the shelf I had. So I've made this piece here just to go under there, and then I'm going to put the front piece in front of that. There we go, that's better, isn't it? Greetings viewer. I find myself with a lazy Sunday. Well, not that lazy, but a Sunday with no other commitments. So I've got a list of jobs I can do. I can paint this to match the ceiling. That needs doing, that's a job. Also, I've got the garage area, definitely needs sorting out. The tools need rearranging and having proper storage areas. There's also another little shelf thing going up there somewhere, I'm not sure where, but I need somewhere to put my tea when I'm in bed. Hi, just cutting in, it's me from the future. I'm editing the whole video, I've seen the whole thing. I'd like to see you in for a treat, but I'd be lying. Here's that little shelf, by the way, I did actually make it. And finally, Katie's van. She's not around today, but she's left me the keys. I've already done the floor. Put a new floor in for her because the old one was coming apart. And these new handles, because she had these crappy leather things that were all ripped. So I've done those. Also, she wants a sink put in here, so it'll be an interesting job. We'll have the drainage coming down here, and she's got one of those Gusher foot pumps, which are quite amazing to behold. I'm also quite desperate to try out this new cordless jigsaw. We've marked out for the sink, and I've also used this profile gauge to mark out the corners, so I'm about to put those on, and then we're going to attack it with the cordless jigsaw. I've marked it off with the curves as well, and I've also marked off where we're going to start the pilot hole. Obviously we need to make a couple of holes there, so we've got room to get the jigsaw blade in. This is the scary one, because these wood ones, they tend to just go in. There we go. A sink. We've got this manual foot pump to go in, which is going to go inside like that, so the foot pump doesn't encroach into the space of the van. And then we're going to have the shelf here, 2 bottles on there, and connect it all up and put a tap here. I've put this bit of timber there just loose for now. That's going to be the door frame. So yeah, there's going to be a door in the back, so it's easier to open from outside and take the bottles out. We've got, for Katie's van, Muppet Roadkill. Look at that. So I've done all I can in there. We're just waiting on the hose now, and we've got to get the copper for the tap. So I'm doing a bit in mine, trying to get all the tools sorted out in the back. I'm building a bit here. I'm trying to get all the tools better packed. I'm going to build a little shelf on top of there. Well, that's a bit better. I'll finish that off tomorrow. Still got a bit to do here. A little rack in there for maybe screws and drills and stuff. But yeah, chuff with that. I'm going to paint this wall here. Let's see if I can really drag it out. I might have to think of anything else to do. Just use this tiny little... Wait. Just realised I'd left my phone by the door. We know what a bunch of sticky-fingered bastards they are around here now, don't we? I'm in Crawley at the moment, and just as a matter of interest, a little point I'd like to make. I've spent time in Bristol, Brighton and Crawley, and I can safely say without a shadow of a doubt that Crawley stinks of weed twice as much as the other two combined. I just love the smell of herbal cat piss in the morning. God, I'm so slap happy with the paintbrush. Just get it on.
One pair of pants later.
I'm meeting Katie at the builder's yard, and hopefully we can finish her sink before the end of this video. We've only got a minute and a half. So we're cutting through here with a tile hole cutter. So yeah, it could catch fire at any minute because we refuse to pay extra money for extra bits, but it is working. Pumps in. I've never done this before, but I'm really enjoying it. These compression fittings are amazing. So you just slot that in there, hand tighten it, and then tighten them up with the adjustables and the wrench, and that's it. Find a girl who gives you one of these. So there's the tap. It does turn a little bit, which is good. We've got the hose attached to there, and it's the Jubilee and this compression joint that is literally holding it in place. So that's good. All the hoses are connected.
Come in, clean it. Squelching. Whoa, look at that! Oh my gosh! It is a gusher! And that is on that, and then that is the release. Yeah. Wow. How cool is that?
It worked.
So exciting!
It worked. worked. I've just done some plumbing. There we go. She's happy. I'm happy. Job done.
It's time you realize that you have something in you more powerful and miraculous than the things that affect you and make you dance like a puppet.